Hey guys, Zakk here from MixChecks.com. Welcome back to this free mixing course and live mixing session. And today I am going to show you how to master a song in Logic with only Logic's stock plugins. The song we're working on is called Empires by Radio Not. You can get more information about them in the description below if you like the song. And yeah, we're just going to master it with what comes with Logic. So let's jump right in. Alright guys, let's work on that master bus. So let's go. How are we going to master in Logic? And I call this mastering, but really mastering is sending it to a mastering engineer. This is more like faux mastering because I'm the one doing it. But this is just to add loudness and to make it kind of, commercial ready. But if you really want it mastered, you should send it to a mastering engineer. So what we're going to do, though, for our mastering purposes, we're going to have to experiment because normally I'm using all third-party plugins on this. So let's see what we can do with Logic's. Has this vintage EQ. Let's see what we can do with the tube EQ. I think this is, supposed to be a Pultec model. I'm going to go, where are you? High frequency. I think that it normally drops these a little bit. We're in a linear phase, I guess, since we're putting it on the master bus. We'll do 4K. Yeah, this has different knobs than your typical Pultec. All right.
Come to you like a fright, I promise I'll take you into the light. I just wanna hold you till my breaks. I just wanna hold you till my breaks. I know your heart is dark inside, but I am not afraid of the night. You run, you hide, you fall, you climb, but I am not afraid of a fight. Whoa, I know your heart is dark.
Okay. I like it so far. I'm just doing a low boost. This is what I normally do. Boost it 3 dB in this low section, 3 dB in the high section. It just gives it that Pultec happy face style EQ. Turn this one off because I don't want to deal with that. Output model silky. Yeah, let's leave it on silky. Can leave the drive where it is, default. Then after that, let's go into some. I'm going to send it into some serial compression. So I'm going to do. This is their SSL bus compressor model. So we're going to do a nice and slow release. Nice and slow attack. Just going to go very subtle ratio.
Dark inside, but I am not afraid of the night. You want horror, you crave trauma, you want a big gun, a big chair, you want power, but I'm gonna hunt.
Okay, so I'm going to do this in serial.
Hunt you down like a lion. I won't stop until you're mine. I just wanna hold you till my break.
Okay, got our serial compression going on. And I'm going to take that into the multipressor. Where are you? All right, so I'm going to adjust these bands just a little bit. Okay. And then for the lower frequencies, I'm going to bump up the attack. We're just going to kind of gradually get back to our 2 millisecond attack. And then now I'm just going to adjust the thresholds for all these.
I just wanna hold you to my breaks. Yeah. I know your heart is dark inside, but I am not afraid of the night you run. You hide, you fall, you climb, but I am not afraid of a fight. Whoa, I know your heart is dark inside, but I am not afraid.
And then what this does is it really smooths out the mix just with your multi-band compression. Here, I'll just take it on and off for you.
I'm not afraid of the night you run. You hide, you fall, you climb, but I am not afraid of a fight. Whoa, I know your heart is dark inside.
And this is one of the things that lets you get it pretty loud with the next step, which is going to be, I'm going to put a gain just in case we need it. Not doing anything yet. And then we're going to go into Logic's adaptive limiter. Not going to do anything with that yet. Turn on our true peak detection. We're going to go to -2 so we can try to avoid hitting any intersample peaks. And then finally, I'm going to put a loudness meter so we can see how loud we're actually getting. And let's go to the loudest part of the song. And we're going to bust out this and this. And let her rip.
I know your heart is dark inside, but I am not afraid of the night you run. You hide, you fall, you climb, but I am not afraid of a fight. Whoa, I know your heart is dark inside, but I am not afraid. tear you on power, but I'm gonna hunt you down like a lion. I know your heart is dark inside, but I am not afraid of the night. You run, you hide, you fall, you climb, but I am not afraid of a fight. I know your heart is dark inside, but I am not afraid of the night. You built towers, your empires, but your fame and acclaim will expire. When it falls, you call a holder, then I'll set your light on. I know your heart is dark inside, but I am not afraid of the night. You run, you hide, you fall and you climb, but I am not afraid of the fight.
Okay, so that's pretty much mastering with Logic's stock plugins. Now I'm going to go reference this to other mastered music and see if it matches up. But I can't show you that on YouTube because of copyright. So I will see you guys in the next video where we will tweak the mix as necessary. See you then.